swear I'm so forgetful. I should have took notes. I knew I should have. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to be talking about why I have decided to take down my Microlocs or Interlocks, or however you sit there and call them. So I love the style, I love the versatility of them. I love being able to pretty much just wake up, fluff my hair, shake it out, however you sit there and want to call that, and I'm ready to go for the morning as far as getting my hair prepped. The issue that I currently have with my hair right now is that I am not satisfied with my grid pattern, and if you are hip on all of the lock terms and stuff like that, then you know what that means. If you're not, it's pretty much I'm not happy with my parts and the sizes of some of my locks. So I'm going to be taking them down instead of cutting them off, because I do want to relock. I just want my parts to be better and my sizes to be uniform. So I've only been locked for a year. My lock anniversary was October 24th. So of 2018, October 24th is when my locks finished, and took her about a week or so. It was like 20 some odd hours over the course of a week for her to do my whole head. I don't know how many locks I have. I never counted. She never counted. I started once and was like, yeah, no, I'm not gonna do this to myself. What does a number mean? Nothing to me. So I don't know anything about that. Maybe when I do finally get everything taken down and I start again, maybe I might have that number. No promises there. I'm not even gonna sit there and lie to you like that. Not even gonna do it to you. Let's go ahead and get right into this bad boy. Ew. Tools that you're gonna need: needle or like something small and pointy. I have it's kind of weird, but it works. This is actually like a pore pimple popper tool that I got from Wish, and like this is literally what I use. It is super tiny, super tiny, and I just use that to go in and pull it down. So that's one of the tools that you're gonna need. Another tool that you're gonna need is again, depending on the size of your locks, is a small a narrow toothed comb. I got this from my local beauty supply and it was $1. And I've seen some people do take down their locks dry, and I've seen some people take down their locks wet. I've actually already started on some just to figure out which method was best for me. So originally I started with the dry method, and it was a lot slower. And obviously because the hair is dry, you want to take your time. You don't want to sit there and be yanking on it or anything like that, because it's dry. Like, you don't sit there and detangle your hair while it's dry, and that's essentially what you're doing, like, is detangling your hair. So you detangle your hair with some type of slip to it so it's easier and you're not yanking your hair out. So I've been doing the wet method. So I have a spray bottle, and it says nothing but water in here. And then you need your mirror. I just have this, as you can see, there's my computer, but I just have this mirror. But I have that, and for me, again, personally, I also have a specific light source so I can try to see the knots themselves, like see in between it and see the gaps rather, so I can go in the gap and loosen that knot and go from there. Let's get into this video. See you on the flip side. Didn't I put you on mute? Why are you still ringing? Alright guys, so these are the tools that I used. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and cut off your ends, especially if your ends are locked. So the next thing I like to do is go ahead and comb out the ends a little bit so you can have a little bit more room to work with, like to actually grip and pull the hair down. So if you can see, there is a knot that I am working on. And so pretty much what you're going to do is use the needle that you have and go in between two knots at the bottom and try to separate them to move the knot down so you can go ahead and comb it out. So if you feel like your hair is getting a little dry, go ahead and add some water and or conditioner, whichever you feel is best. But you want to keep your hair moisturized and keep some type of slip on it. So I just continue this process of using that needle to separate the knots and then just go ahead and combing that out from there. I do have some close-up footage so you can really see the knots that I'm talking about. So just continue watching the video. So that is it. That's how I take down my locks. It can take me anywhere between like 30 to 45 minutes to take down a lock, but it does depend on the actual size of it. The smaller ones take me a bit longer. It can take up to about an hour a lock. So the goal is to get through at least three, let's say that. At least 3 a day, and we got a lot to do. So who knows how long this will take, but I'm excited to go ahead and take them down and start over. So I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching. Bye.